Nowadays, lot of people in the world faces an issue that they lost their Facebook accounts, which are either personal or business accounts. Today, I will teach you that how you can secure your account permanently that you can use forever. I will teach you that how you can add a security layer. So first of all, click on this option. Click on this setting. Click on this account center. Now in account setting, click on the password and security option. Here click on this two-factor authentication. Click on your account. Here enter your password. I enter my own password. Whatever the Gmail or mobile you have attached with your Facebook account, you will receive a confirmation code there. So I simply copy this code and paste it here. Click on continue. It's giving me three options for my security. First is to download an app. It's quite difficult to keep the app forever in your device. So I will prefer the text message because security key for security key you must have another device. So I will recommend to click on this text message. Here you have to add a mobile number on which you will receive a code whenever you will try to log in your account on any other device or browser. An unauthorized person will not be able to access your account because it requires a text message from your mobile number. So here write your mobile number. As I already have my mobile number, so I will just click and copy it and paste that code here which I received on my mobile number. Here you can see now two-factor authentication of my Facebook account is on. So no unauthorized person will be able to access my account without my permission.